This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, November the 27th, 2012. And now, the first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, we have a broad trough over the eastern, about half to two-thirds of the country, with a ridge building up across the west up into Alaska. And with the northwesterly flow aloft, that keeps temperatures cool across the state, with highs today in the 30s to near 40, with partly to mostly sunny skies, and a light breeze out of the south and southwest, which increases a little bit on Wednesday to south 5 to 10 miles per hour, and temperatures do increase a little bit, highs into the upper 30s to lower to mid 40s across the state, with plenty of sunshine. Sunshine remains supreme here Thursday as well. Highs well into the 40s, maybe approaching 50 in some areas, with no precipitation anywhere close except maybe the Great Lakes and off the west coast. We head to Friday. GFS wants to paint some isolated shower activity. It'll be very remote, if any, and most of it will be to the east and south. Highs still remaining in the 40s and 50s. Saturday still remaining very warm. Highs possibly into the 50s across the state. There's some shower activity to our north, to our south. There could be a few more clouds on Saturday. And on Sunday, there'll be some rain off to our east. And still fairly warm. We'll still have highs in the 50s, with southerly winds ahead of a strong storm off to our west. Well, that storm gets a little bit closer here Monday, and the Gulf opens up a little bit, but still very dry. Maybe an isolated shower here Monday at best. And even a week from today, you see a big, strong wave coming through with a trough and some energy along it, and you would think we'd have excitement and active weather. We will. It'll just be to the east of the state. Cold air comes back down, highs dropping back into the 30s with a north to northwesterly wind, wind chills possibly down into the teens, and very little precipitation. A couple days later, on December the 8th, we have pretty much a west-southwesterly flow aloft around here. All the cold air bottling up in Canada with some energy up in that area. And this could bring a storm system our way that could scrape us with some rain or snow here at this point on the 8th or maybe even the 9th. We'll have to see if this trend continues. And then even a couple days later on the 12th, we still have this west-southwesterly flow aloft with the cold air still up to our north, with little pieces trying to come down, some energy coming into the west. And this is a storm we'll have to watch if this continues, because this could really bring us some active weather if this was to move our way by the middle of the month. So we'll see if this trend continues on future model runs. Last night, satellite image showed nothing like that around. A system down to our south with some showers and a few thunderstorms across the Gulf Coast, a few clouds up into the north and east, a few clouds across the U.S.-Canadian border, and some cloudiness along the west coast. The watch warning map from last evening, some winter weather advisories across West Virginia up into Pennsylvania and New Jersey, fog advisory in northeastern Montana, and a flood watch across the central and northern parts of California. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. This is through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the heaviest precipitation along the Gulf Coast of Texas and Louisiana, and across the west where that flood watch is, up to 4 to 6 or 7 inches of rain possible there.